which I have been nominated by my son-in-law Matt Shear to participate in the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I challenge four other people to this same event, and they need to do it within the next 24 hours. And the people I challenge are my brother-in-law, Tim Leontowicz, my long-legged, globe-trotting neighbor, Penny Fitzsimmons, and, let's see who's the other person, and my crazy, wild quilting friend and neighbor, Eileen Beta, and card-playing guru, Orest Sinkowski. I'm ready, Ron. Oh, I took my glasses off. That's okay. I'm good. Oh, okay. I challenge my team.